Good morning to all. My name is N. Surendra Reddy, ATL in charge and principal of Srinivasa English Medium High School, Vidyanagar, Nellore district. Our school ATL lab established in 2018. So on the day onwards, our school children, teachers, so many trainings given to TTS. In our lab, introduce so many project works, like for example in our lab 3D printer and robotics, sensors, computers training, etc. They have to learn about our school children and teachers also. In our school, students participated state level and national level and district level number of competitions participated to our children. So in this March onwards COVID situation, so there is no schools. In this timing, Tech Team solutions given to E-Gurudev, introduced E-Gurudev program, online program, very good program, very interesting program, very initiative, very encouraging to the children and teachers also this program. This program learn about sensor, how to use sensors, how to run some new projects in our schools. TTS give to complimentary sensor complimentary gift to our school. And this type of compliments give to those who are participated ATL lab schools given to the